Hey guys, Renee with Me, You, and the Chickens. And a lot of questions that we get is, one, how do you get your chickens to like you? This is how. You just spend some time with them, that's all. This way they get used to coming around you. And they don't run every time you come in the yard or in the coop or wherever you're keeping them. But watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. You guys like that? You like that? It's yummy, huh? It's yummy. There's, I think, 9 hens in here and a rooster. And then, of course, we have the Muscovy ducks. They take a little bit more to come close, except for Cheez-It. But he's not really paying attention. He's paying attention to what Alan's doing on the other side of the fence with all the other cabbage. So today we went to get feed at Tractor Supply, and there was a guy there. He's there quite often with truckloads of produce. This time it was cabbage. Watch my fingers, little lady. Here you go. She took the whole thing. So he filled up our trunk because he's used to seeing us. So he filled up our trunk with cabbage. And today is treat day for everybody. Today is treat day, huh, little ladies? And this is how you get your chicken juice for you. They really tear it up. We also hang these by a screw inside the runs. Put one of those big round hook screws in here and hang it, and it'll keep them busy for a while. You want some? Who wants some? You want some? Oh, it's so yummy. So yummy. Who said you can't have friendly chickens? Now the rooster, he likes to make sure that all the hens have eaten first before he'll even come near this. So, and here comes Cheez-It on the sideline. You want some Cheez-It? Can you come over here so everybody can see you? Can you come over here? Come here. Come here. No? You're not gonna? Here, let me get Cheez-It to show you. Come here, buddy. Oh! Cheez-It is getting pretty darn heavy. Oh, we gotta turn him around. Hold on. We gotta turn you around. You're stuck, bud. Hold on, we gotta turn you around. Turn you around. So you can say hi to everybody. Hey, say hi. He's a good boy. Sometimes he bites. And sometimes he doesn't. You never know which Cheez-It you're gonna get. But it's okay. We love you anyway. And your many moods. Yes, we do. We love the many moods of Cheez-It. Cheez-It came from a wonderful couple who raised him in their garage, and then they couldn't keep him anymore because, well, he was doing bad things to the neighbors. So he came here, and he now lives with the other Muscovies and the Rhode Island Reds here in the yard. And they come all the way, I think it's like about a 3 or 4 hour drive for them. And they come all the way every once in a while to see Cheez-It and spend time with him. And it's wonderful. He loves it. And he knows them when they come. And he's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a permanent resident. Right, Cheez-It? Right, Cheez-It? You're a permanent resident, huh? You staying. Oh, you don't bite me now. Don't show everybody that side. They want to see the nice side. Yeah, we don't want to show them that side. That's embarrassing. So yeah, this is what we do. Sit out here with all of our babies. Well, not all of them, right? And this one is just the Rhode Island Reds. You want to get down, buddy? And our Muscovies. You want some, Cheez-It? Want some? It's good, I tell you. You don't want it? Not right now? Maybe later? Yep. So that's how you get the chickens used to you. Used to coming near you. And it's also quite enjoyable just to sit with them. There you go, Cheez-It. There you go. You had to have the whole head. That's a little bit greedy. It's a little bit greedy. He doesn't even like the chickens. But when there's food involved, you know, rules change. All right. Renee with me, you and the chickens on how to get your chickens used to you. That's how you do it. Till next time.